101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Hi, smart listeners, wherever you are, how are you? How's it going? Everything is good, right? Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, smart listeners. Yeah, smart viewers, wherever you are. Of course, this evening, always again and again and again with me, Radius Disarin or RD Sam, in Smart Up Your Life English discussion, yeah, with English communities. And of course, for this episode, we have a special topic, of course, absolutely. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to invite our guests from several views community in South Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. And yes, before we are going to talking about all the topic, I would like to invite them one by one to introduce themselves. Yes. Okay, please take this, take this, take this. Hi guys, good evening.
Good
Hi.
evening. Hello.
How are you? How is it going?
I'm so
Please use make it
good.
close, make it close. Everything is good?
Yes.
Okay.
So far so good.
Okay, so far so good. What about you?
Yes, of course, so good.
Okay, what about you? Please use this. Please your
Everything is okay.
everything is okay. Yes, please introduce yourself. I start from you. What is your name? What is your English community? How looks like and what about the agenda? Please. Come on.
Okay. Let me introduce myself. That my name is Andi Nur Aulia, and usually my friends call me by Alia.
Oh, Alia.
Yes.
It sounds like Alia President, ex-president of EUC.
Yeah.
Right, Alia.
Yes, that
Hi, Alia.
my senior in university.
Okay. So, how do we call you? Alia.
Alia.
Okay, continue your
Okay.
explanation.
I'm from SIT.
Mhm.
SIT is stand for Student of English Education Department.
Okay.
Yes, that the one of majoring program in my university.
Mhm.
That we have some club or forum
Okay.
that the
What are they? Please mention.
I will explain half because my
Too
friends
much.
will
Okay, okay,
yes,
okay, okay.
will explain the
Uh-huh.
other.
Uh-huh.
The first is there is Mic Master.
McMaster.
Yes,
Okay.
Mic Master. This what provide for student that want to improve their public speaking ability.
Okay. In English.
Yes.
Okay.
So there is preparation of overseas study club. Yes,
Wow, cool.
that
Uh-huh.
Designed for student that have want to they have interest in
Mhm.
study or work in international.
Okay.
Yes.
International study.
Yes.
Oh, cool. Okay. What about the others?
So there is Seedling.
Seedlink.
Yes.
Okay, what is that seedlink?
Seedling, this the facilitate for student to improve their social skills.
Like
What?
social skills like communication, like negotiation, lobby.
Yes, that we can build our relationship with the investors.
Oh,
or
wow.
What we say,
Marketing, yeah?
client, yes.
Marketing skills, negotiation skills, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, human skills, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, public
that-
relation. Yeah.
Yes. So in
Mhm.
social skills.
Yes,
social,
yes, I see. Okay, thank you. So, welcome, Alia.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, next. The same clue. What is your name? What is your English community? How it looks like, and what about the schedule or agenda?
Okay, thank you. Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, my name is Dewi Aprila Wardani Syam. You can call me Dewi.
Mhm.
I am from BPEC.
Yeah.
BPEC is Benteng Panyu English Club Makassar.
Mhm.
Okay, the one of our agenda is LSM, Lovely Sunday Meeting.
Okay.
Okay, this agenda every Sunday at J Building at Fort Rotterdam, Makassar. In Lovely Sunday Meeting, we have 2 agenda. For the first, we do discussion. Start from 10 a.m. until
2.
No.
Until 2 p.m.
Jam 12. 12.
Really? Not until 2 p.m.?
Nanti agenda the second agenda.
Yeah. I mean, the totally you start guys from 10
total.
a.m. until 2 p.m. right?
Yeah,
Yes.
right.
Let's say like that. So 4 hours. Okay.
I think it's all.
Okay. Welcome. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dewi. Yeah.
Thank
in,
you.
English communities. Next, please. You know the clue, right?
Yes.
Okay. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, hello everyone.
Hi. Hello.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, I would like to introduce myself.
Mhm.
My full name is Nursanita Kimpo, but my friends or people call me Sani.
Sunny.
Yes.
Like that. Sunny.
Okay. I'm from Sid of the same, my friends. Okay, I want to explain for you guys about the same program in SEED and agenda in SEED.
Mhm.
Okay, SEED is a student of English Education Department,
Yeah.
one of the majoring in the Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher Training
Mhm.
at Alauddin State Islamic University of Makassar.
Mhm.
Okay, and this SEED, same program.
Mhm.
We are also learn and study about the English language.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay, and instead, and student of English Education Department also offers various talent and interests.
Mhm.
Survives like
And also you have a competition, right? In
yes,
SID.
yes, and said like English debate and argumentation forum
Okay.
serves as a platform for students
Mhm.
to develop critical thinking
Mhm,
and communication, and also about structured argumentation skills. And the second about Create Writer.
Mhm.
Create Writer Forum offers as a space for students
Okay.
to cultivate their skill writing and interest and talent. And the last in SEED also provides platform for students to enhance their public speaking ability
Okay.
and also improve English language skills. Okay, just it.
Okay, thank you. Welcome.
Okay.
How do we call you? Sorry.
Sunny.
Sunny.
Yes.
Sunny. Okay, give a applause for us, guys. Yes. Yeah, as I mentioned, I promise to smart listeners, guys, wherever you are, of course. And our topic for this evening is everyone is ambassador. Give a applause for us. Are you ready, guys?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, yes. My first question is, this is a general question, yeah, very general. Yeah, how do you think about this offering? What is your reaction when you got this opportunity to present here as a representative of SID?
Okay. The first main reason when my classmate in the university offering me, do you want join to the podcast with the topic everyone is ambassador? I think it's interest for me. But before that, I'm feel nervous actually.
Okay.
But
It's okay.
Yes,
You can
nervous.
deal it. Nervous is a normal.
yes,
Yeah.
actually, this is my first time to join the podcast.
In life?
Yes,
Ooh.
and the first
Congratulations.
experience. Yes,
Uh-huh.
the first experience for me
Mhm.
to join the podcast. But I had doubt.
Mhm.
I answer my friends. I had doubt because I'm never experienced for join to the podcast.
And now see, you are
Yes,
here.
but But I think, oh no,
Don't miss.
Yes, I must join. I must join because I think this is a special opportunity for me and special experience for me, and also I studied for join to the topic.
Yeah.
Yes, so interest for me.
So actually, you feel like, okay, am I should?
Yes. Yes.
But finally, you make it sure. You how to say make like, okay, I have to join because this is a golden opportunity.
Yes, opportunity
I don't
for
want to
me.
miss it.
Yes.
This is my first time.
Yes, my first
Right?
time experience.
Okay,
Yes.
so you are very excited, right?
Yes, excited. So
Okay.
excited.
Yeah. So what about the topic? How do you think about the topic for this
Okay.
evening?
But before I answer the topic,
Mhm.
I want to tell you for my friends, my classmates in the university,
Mhm.
for PBIB 2025. Thank you for your supporting me.
Who?
Yes.
Who? Mention the name.
My class in the university,
Yeah.
PBIB
Ah.
2025.
Classmates.
Yes.
Ah.
Also supporting me for joining to the podcast.
Okay. Please say hello to
Yes.
your.
Hello for my classmate. Yes, PBIB 2025. Thank you for your prayers and for your supporting for me
Okay.
and pass me for join to the podcast.
Asik. Okay. Now tell us what do you think
Okay.
about our topic for this
Yes,
evening?
okay. The first time I hear the topic,
Mhm.
actually, of word ambassador.
Mhm.
I think ambassador like someone
Mhm.
who recommendation
Mhm.
and promotion
Mhm.
something product.
Mhm.
But oh no, just no. This podcast more general.
Yeah.
Yes, more general.
It's very large.
Yes.
Universal.
Yes, universal.
Mhm.
Okay, I found out I study for the topic.
Mhm.
Oh, ambassador. Ambassador like someone or
Mhm.
everyone have to potential.
Mhm.
Have the potential and give me a positive impact
Yeah.
for community.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, like that.
Ah.
Like that.
Okay, so you think for the first is this is a special meaning, but oh no, this is a generalizing.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes,
Right?
of course, right.
Okay, so you
Okay.
that's why you forward and you ready and you research
Yes.
and you come here.
Yes.
Okay, keep your statement. I'll be back to you to ask you for the second question.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah,
Yes.
Sunny. Okay, next David. So you was ever visited here as an observer. So now you are here. How do you feeling right now to sit here in a hot chair? How do you think?
I'm
How do you
so
feeling?
interested and
Uh-huh.
and also I nervous before,
Mhm.
but my friends support me
Uh-huh.
for
Who your
joining
friends?
Avivi.
Avivi. Yeah,
And-
yeah. What
and
she said?
Agi.
What she said? What they said?
It's okay to join this podcast because Kak Sam the kind people.
Oh my God! Thank you, anak-anakku. Okay, and
I think that's
oh, that's why you have a
yeah.
get confidence
Yeah.
after you hear the explanation. Don't worry because the host can make ice breaking, can make a situation live like that, right? Make it easy, something like that, right?
Yes, right.
Mm.
And I can belajar to
Public speaking,
yeah,
maybe? Uh-huh.
to improve my public speaking. and
Yeah, that's why you are
English.
here.
Yes.
This is the how to say exact place to come here, right?
Yes.
So what about the topic itself? How do you think about the topic? Maybe this is your first time to get the topic about this. Okay,
Yes.
how do you think about it?
Okay. Everyone is ambassador. Usually, the people say talk about brand ambassador, but
like a product,
Yeah, like a
promotion, or representative of something.
yes,
Uh-uh.
but this night we talk about everyone is ambassador.
Yeah, everyone.
That means everyone can to be ambassador for ourselves to maybe to represent our country, our city, our school, campus, or anything. So that's why I feel interest for this topic.
Okay, so the meaning you means like this topic is general, is universal. That's why you feel like this is not difficult. I can answer it. I can present. Okay, something like that, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, thank you. Keep it your statement. I'll be back to you
Okay,
after
thank
this.
you.
Okay, what about you? Please, how do you feeling to present here as a representative of SID?
Oh, I for the first time that when my friends that my classmates
Okay.
actually I'm in same class with Sunny PBIB 2025 that she called
Make
me
it make it constant.
Okay.
Yeah.
that she called me Alia, won't you join the podcast? Oh my god, I'm as the introvert one. Oh my god, I never been the speaker for podcast. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous that for join this but this agenda is my opportunity to improve.
Maybe this is
my-
how to say part of your wish list.
Yes.
Like I have to put in my life even once at least I join with the podcast on national media, something like that. Oh my god, this is a very very privilege.
Yes.
This is your wish list? One
yes.
of? Really?
Yes, I want to improve my public speaking.
Okay. This is the right place.
yes.
One of the right place.
Yes, and I think yes, I need this agenda. I need for my future. Yes, I wish I will join this podcast.
And after this, you will get digital branding. You made downloading free of charge. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. I'll be back to you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, Agi, welcome back. This is the real ambassador.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How are you?
Fine.
What about your activity?
It's really busy. Yeah, hectic. Yeah.
Okay. Again, yeah.
Again late.
It's okay. Yeah. Talking about opportunity. This is not your for the first, not second, not third,
Yeah.
but for
Every
so
time.
much.
Yeah, so much.
So much. So how do you feel opportunity by opportunity in this platform? How is your feeling?
Okay, my feeling it's really heavy because I meet with a great people here, and yeah, as we know that every times I perform here, when since 2023 until now, and maybe this is the last time as a delegate of BPC, right? Because move managements. Maybe I will come back here, but not bring BPAC again. Yeah.
Okay. No, don't do that. I will. Of course, this is. I am open. Of
Yeah,
course, forever for you.
Yeah.
No worries about it. Don't say this is my last time. No.
Yeah.
I have a power to open you again,
Yeah.
and again and again.
Inshallah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So don't say like that.
Yeah.
Don't say like that. Okay. So what do you think about the topic? Because our friends, our guests say that. For the first assumption, they say before they come here, they think that ambassador is specific, but actually the fact is ambassador is very general, very universal. You don't need to put your selempang or crown and people calls you ambassador,
Yeah.
not like that. So in your personal perspective, how do you think about the personal about the ambassador, because you are the real ambassador?
Yeah. Okay.
He is the winner of Duta Kampus Sulawesi Selatan,
Ah.
number 1.
Yeah, mashallah.
Okay, so how do you think about
Okay, if you're talking about the ambassador, yeah, like you said, people use salempang and crown.
Mhm.
But my opinion about ambassador, we can as an ambassador for ourselves, for our family, and for our environments. It's depend what do you bring. So like personal branding, it
Mhm.
sounds like the ambassador.
Yeah. For
maybe-
example.
Yeah, for example.
For example.
Like yeah, seems like Kak Dias can be as an ambassador.
What is my personal branding?
Personal branding, you it's really famous. Yeah,
Oh.
mashallah. Yeah, like you and like
Famous
me.
in bidang apa sih?
Oh, banyak.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, mashallah.
Uh-huh.
Jadi, so ambassador for me is not only about the use salimpan and crown,
Uh-huh.
but like personal branding and something like that. And before I come here, I seems like your thing, guys. Ambassador, it's specific,
Mhm.
but I searching in internet and something like that. Ambassador like ambassador of like cosmetic,
Mhm.
can right?
Like brand
Yeah,
ambassador.
BU, yeah, representative,
of a company,
yeah, company,
promotion,
yeah,
marketing.
something like that. And yeah, I think like that.
Okay. Keep your statement, guys.
Yeah.
Giving applause for us first. To recharge your mood. Yeah, my next question, talking about ambassador. How do you think, guys? What is the difference actually? Like ambassador from the specific one and ambassador from the general in application. In bahasa like this, apa sih perbedaannya ambassador itu dalam pengaplikasiannya antara ambassador yang khusus dengan ambassador yang umum? Do you get my question? Okay, I start from you. What is the difference actually? Give
Okay.
education to smart listeners. Give your knowledge. Okay, come on.
Before I answer
Mhm.
your question, actually I'm so nervous because another side, I'm so
Uh-huh.
happy because this is one of my wish list
For
for
to be Duta Kampus?
no for the join to the podcast and being speakers.
Wow.
Okay. I want to answer this
Yeah.
question
Come on, go ahead.
about what is different
Mhm.
ambassador and specific and
Mm.
ambassador in general.
Mhm.
Okay, ambassador and specific like someone who good value
Mhm.
and good self confidence
Mhm.
and like part on salampang.
Yeah,
Yes, like
salampang.
like
Mm.
this, like this because I think someone who put on salampang and
But actually, that is a only formalization.
yes formalization.
So how the different when they applicate their
okay.
ambassador
Okay.
in the field, di lapangan, what is the different?
What is different? Okay, ambassador specific
Mhm.
for me, specific application in the lapangan. Okay, like volunteer,
Oh yeah.
like a volunteer, give a positive impact for community, a company, or something like that. And also about the general.
Yes.
General.
General.
General is umum.
Mhm.
Yes, like someone who have to good value, good mindset, and good self confidence
Mhm.
and good behavior for
Mhm.
and skills
Mhm.
and her skills to memberikan impact,
Yeah. To give impact.
give
Mhm.
positive impact for a community action,
Mhm.
community.
For example, like what general?
Oh,
Yeah, general ambassador. Do you mean?
example, a head and student of English education department, a head.
Sorry, head.
Ketua.
Ketua. Oh yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
like this, I think.
Because she or he or they give inspiration.
Yes, inspired for
to how to give energy to
Yes.
people to how to also like a role model.
Yes, role model.
Right?
Right.
That's the point,
Yes,
right?
You're right.
Role model. Okay, thank you,
Okay,
Alia.
that's it.
Any addition or you keep your statement?
I'm Sunny.
Sorry, Sunny. Do you still have any addition or you keep your statement?
Yes.
You keep your statement.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I move to Agi. Which one? What is the difference? You know the
Different.
clue, right?
Mm.
Between specific ambassador and general ambassador.
Okay, my POV about the specific ambassador and the general ambassador. Yeah, the specific ambassador used and the crown and salempang, and they needed the confusion for in their environments. Confused, and then they have the rules, they have the purpose, what they do, and what they
Brain and beauty.
brain, beauty, behavior must to
And
perfect.
brave.
Yeah,
Oh my
brave.
God.
But the general, maybe then they don't need confuse, but only give with ikhlas, doing with ikhlas, things like that.
Mm.
Like said before, like chair, the leader of community, volunteer, and then as a student we can talking about the student also can be ambassador, but not the use like that. Give teaching for
Like
the
social impact.
yeah,
kan?
social impact,
Pengabdian masyarakat,
Yeah.
something like that, right?
the voting. Yeah,
Okay. But you don't need to bring your crown, your
Yeah.
salempang,
Mm-mm.
your certificate, your
Certificate,
piagam or
piagam.
trophy, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay, that is the how to say the concrete sample of the differences of general and specific.
Yeah.
You still have any addition or you keep your statement? Keep your statement. Okay, I move to you, Alia. So, yeah, you got my point, right? You get my point. Okay, please go ahead.
Okay. I think that for the specific
Mhm.
ambassador, that they have to be characteristic from a brand.
Mhm, mhm.
Yes, that they are
Please
promote
make-
they promote for the product
Ah.
or what their community.
Mhm, mhm.
Yes, but in general,
Mhm.
that I think who the are all of the people
Mhm.
that will be ambassador.
Mhm, mhm.
That
Like influencer, yeah.
yes,
If you have like many followers, of course, automatically you will be
yes,
ambassador or something like that.
the when you have to purpose that you want to give the positive impact for
Mhm.
other people,
Mhm.
that and you will not only for wear the crown
Mhm,
or to be the characteristic from a brand.
mhm, mhm.
Yes, not just for that statement, but we will to be the ambassador for all people, for our environment,
Mhm.
that we must bring the good impact,
Mhm.
the positive impact.
Okay.
Yes.
So we can say also in other words that specific ambassador is like you have to put limited goals.
Yes.
But if you are come from general ambassador or
ambassador.
universal ambassador, you don't need to put. You don't have limited.
Yes.
You don't have limited because if you come from specific ambassador, you have like yayasan, you have a company. Of
Yes.
course, everything
You
is by rules.
Yes.
But if you come from universal or general,
Up
you
to
just
you.
yeah.
Yeah.
There is no limitation for give impact. Even
Yes.
forever, you can give impact, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Devi? Do you have any different perspective about the differences between general and specific ambassador?
Okay. I think like the my friend's answer.
Mm-hmm.
So the specific ambassador
Mm-hmm.
is how to people can representative product or their community or and others. But and the general ambassador, how this is how we can bring the positive impacts for the others. Okay, I think if we can give the positive impacts for the others, for example, we go to the in masyarakat. Okay, the people can say, oh, the community is good because I think because she is the kind people, she is the good people. So the people can bisa menilai our community because ourselves, because
behavior, attitude, values.
I can give positive impacts.
Yeah, actually, between of them, they have like differences and also similarities, right? But of course, both them are like have a good values. Both them, even you come from how to say specific or general, right?
Right.
Okay, you still have any addition?
Yeah. So I think the different the different about this the specific ambassador and the general ambassador is formality. This formality.
Okay. Yeah, smart listeners and viewers, of course, wherever you are, we are still here in Smart FM on 1.1 The Spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration, smart of your life, English education with English communities. Yeah, from SEED, from BPEC, SEED BPEC to how to say 2:2, how to say in English, guys, something like that. Okay. Yeah. My next question, talking about everything in the world, there is no perfect. Of course, there are two sides, right? Two sides, positive. No, positive and negative. Let's say like advantages and weakness. But I would like to put this term is happiness and sadness, suka duka. Yeah, not kekurangan dan kelebihan. But I would like to say put this term as suka duka, happiness and sadness. You get my point? Yeah. Agi, start from you. What is the happiness and sadness to be ambassador?
Okay. Start from sadness.
Yeah. What happened with sadness?
Sadness maybe before we as an ambassador there is step by step, right? Like for me formal ambassador, formal like karantina, maybe until 4 or 5 day we doing karantina
You
before.
don't have sleep.
Yeah, we don't have sleep. Start from 7 p.m. until 10 a.m. maybe. Yeah, 10 a.m. we always do hearing materi and something like that, debate. Yeah, maybe FGD. Nothing to break only solat, pray like that. So come back to hearing materi. And the happiness maybe happiness we really proud use Salempang and something like that. There is the confused for our environment, pengakuan orang-orang, and then
like a privilege, like
privilege. So many privilege if we get into.
You can visit media.
Visit media. We you can now every
present in special event.
Special event. VVIP.
Yeah.
I feel that.
Like a dinner,
dinner.
Like a dinner. And etc. Many more.
Many.
Okay, you want to still have any addition? You keep your statement. Keep your statement.
Yeah.
I move to you, Sunny. Okay, Sunny. what about your opinion, your perspective, your point of view about the sadness and happiness to be ambassador?
Okay, I start from happiness.
Okay.
Okay.
Start from happiness.
If I be ambassador for
Mhm.
happiness, I want to meet other people
Mhm.
in the company, maybe in
Mhm.
the community,
Mhm.
and also happiness give benefit,
Mhm.
give benefit for community, for campus maybe,
Mhm. Mhm.
and also improve, develop knowledge.
Self-development.
Yes,
Self-development.
self-development, and also for happiness, I going to the what is nervous.
Media from your campus over there.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Happiness is being to ambassador.
Mhm.
I can be meet from international campus.
Oh yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
like that, and also
Visiting campus.
Yes.
Get many insights, new
Yes.
insights. Yeah.
yes,
Relation.
okay, yes,
Opportunity.
yeah, of course, and privilege.
Privilege.
Yes, privilege, and also about
Privilege.
yes, privilege.
Uh-huh.
Yang lainnya.
Prestige, privilege,
Yes,
opportunity,
privilege. Yes, opportunity.
insight,
And also about
new people, relation.
Yes.
Mm.
just it about happiness.
What about the sadness?
Yes.
Uh,
Sadness.
like a many pressure.
Yeah, sadness about tired.
Uh-huh.
Tired,
Mhm.
of course, and tired.
You have to looks like always positive. You cannot like even 1 second you cannot how to say appear or how to say give your negative aura. You cannot something like that. That's why this is a very hard to be ambassador, right?
Yes.
You have to looks like always beauty, positive,
Yeah.
mood booster. Even you are tired.
Yes, tired.
Uh-huh. So make it edition. Make it edition.
Okay,
please.
from sadness,
Mm.
tired, maybe
Mhm.
tired, and then memiliki sedikit waktu.
Very hectic.
Yes, very hectic.
Uh-huh.
Very hectic for the
Because you
learn-
have to visit.
Yes,
right?
just it.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
I think just it.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Alia? Alia. What about you, Alia? What is the happiness and sadness to be ambassador? Even you have experience or not at all, just imagine. Okay.
Yes.
What about you?
For my opinion, that
Mhm.
I never be an ambassador.
Mhm.
That
No,
I,
you're ambassador because you are
Ah,
representative of
yes.
SID, right?
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Before that, I think ambassador is always happy, always have the positive value.
Uh-huh. Ambassadors is a human being. manusia biasa.
Yes.
Okay, continue.
And we always see
Mhm.
their happiness,
Mhm.
but in other that they have many cobaan.
Okay.
Yes, that maybe from the judge from other people that
Mhm.
we can to handle
Mhm,
the
mhm.
judge from other
Mhm,
people
mhm.
for us.
Mm.
Yes.
Their
That's-
opinion, you mean? Their
yes.
opinion, yeah.
Yes, that's only my
you
opinion.
you cannot control their opinion.
Yes.
But my suggestion is just focus what you can
Yes,
control.
Just focus on
don't
yourself.
focus to be to something like you cannot control. Just focus what can you control,
Yes,
right?
right.
Okay. Any addition you're okay with statement?
Okay, I keep.
You keep yourself. Okay, what about you, Devi? What is the happiness or the sadness to be ambassador? Even you are, or you were, or you will, or not at all. Just imagine. Okay, answer my question, please.
Okay. The happiness about ambassador,
Mhm.
I think we can have the opportunity, the and privilege to do something, because the people see about positive vibes of ourselves. Okay. But the sadness about the ambassador, I think same like the and like Kak Sani, we have a tired because
Because they're responsible, the activity.
we should look the positive. Even we do mistakes, even though little bit, the people judge the negative.
And a lot of
Yeah.
paparazzi
Yeah.
everywhere.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think like that.
Okay, so the point is the responsibility is very big. That's why we have to how to say, show our best, show our positive.
Show
Yeah,
the positive.
even we are human being, manusia biasa.
Yeah.
Yeah, we cannot. We just always show the positive. Even we are realistic that we are human being, right?
Yeah, right.
That is the hard, right?
Mm.
Itu berat loh, ya.
Yeah, so we cannot do the mistakes
Mhm.
even though tidak disengaja.
Yeah. Nothing is perfect, yeah.
Nothing is perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank
Now,
you.
my next question, yes, talking about ambassador. Just imagine. Okay, you, David, again. If the universe select you as a ambassador, what will you do? My question's like a pageant. Pertanyaannya kayak pageant. Jika alam semesta, jika situasi menakdirkan kamu menjadi ambassador, apa yang akan kau lakukan?
I think I will do the the positive for the others.
Like what?
Membantu to helping the other, to inspiring the other, to teach the others the something.
Like in education,
the education.
things.
Yeah.
Like to be volunteering.
Yeah, volunteering like this.
To educate
To
people, someone, make socialization.
Yes.
Okay. Any else?
Any else?
Any else?
Yeah.
Keep it.
Yeah. I think I kept my.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Agi. Yeah, the universe
Of
have been
course.
selected you.
Yeah.
And now you're ambassador. Yeah.
Yeah,
Both
alhamdulillah.
ambassador, specific in general.
Yeah.
So, what is your what the thing you did, what the thing you do, and what the thing you will do?
Okay.
3 questions.
Maybe I will do its implement Tridharma perguruan tinggi, of course, namely educations, research, and devoting for our environments. Maybe I'm more focusing about the devoting for our environments. Back to my major in law, and maybe I focus for giving education for our environments about how to importance in law, cause law it's really less less now for our environment, not general, not general.
Specific
Yeah,
discipline.
specific discipline. So that's why I will more focus in my major. And what will I do for my implementations? Maybe I will
You will what? This is very important because relate with your majoring, right?
yeah, relate my major.
As a law,
As a law.
department, law,
Yeah.
law students.
Yeah, law students. Maybe the result is the environment's more now, and then more proper about their environments. Of course, it's not only ambassador, but every people that can give educations not only about law, maybe health, about psychology and something like that. Yeah.
Go to the civilization, right?
Yeah.
The society
Mhm.
to give more education
More
about
education
the law.
about the law.
How important the law in our life, in our daily. Yeah, so jangan pandang enteng ya hukum,
Yeah, no.
something like that, right?
Yeah.
How to say in English? Yes, something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, law it's really important for our environment
Yeah.
because every what I do there's law.
Yes.
Yeah.
Every aspect in our
Aturan.
daily.
Yeah.
There is a rules.
Yeah, there is
and
the
rules
rules.
is a law.
Yeah,
Right?
part of law. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Alia? If situation select you as an ambassador, what will you do?
Yes, if I'll be the ambassador, that I'll be do my best to give the positive vibes, positive impact
For example,
to other
like what?
to other person that
Uh-huh.
I'll be
Maybe you can cooking, master of cooking,
Oh
and
my
you can
God.
spread the specific or the special recipe to our society.
maybe I will give my experience
Like
like now
Like
now
Uh-huh.
this is my big opportunity to join the podcast.
after this you give
Yes.
the tips for the candidate
Yes.
speaker of seat.
Yes.
You give tips and trick how to present here, how to talking, how to speaking, how to see the camera.
Yes,
Yeah, right.
that
Uh-huh.
I'll give my positive don't not to say about the negative that I will confuse about I will join or not. Yes, that
Be motivator.
yes,
Right.
I will be the inspired
Uh-huh.
for other people.
Asik.
Yes.
Okay, at least in your environment first.
Yes.
For example, like in your organization.
Yes.
Start from
and
there, right?
My class, maybe.
Ah,
Yes.
Okay.
The important is our environment first.
Okay, thank you. Give me your 5. Give me your 5. Thank you.
Oh my God.
Okay, what about you, Sunny? You get my point, right?
Yes.
Okay, please. 10
Okay.
seconds for you.
If I
She didn't realize it when I said 10 seconds for you. Okay, come on, continue.
if I will be ambassador,
Mhm.
of course I want to give a positive impact for
Mhm.
other people.
For example.
I want example. For
Mhm,
example,
mhm,
share the value, good value.
mhm.
Share the good value and share good confidence,
Mhm.
self confidence.
Like what measuring, like what
yes,
discipline,
in this
like
class like this.
okay.
In this class,
Uh-huh.
improve to the public speaking
Mhm.
when I presentation session
Mm.
and also
Like you spread the energy
yes,
to motivate
Yes.
people, to motivate your classmates. Like
yes,
come
this.
here, we study together, we can grow together.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
When they lazy,
Mhm.
I
Mhm.
keluarkan
Your motivation.
Give, yes,
Uh-huh.
give energy,
Oh yeah, yeah.
give energy
Mhm.
biar biar mereka tuh
Yeah, to
How to
motivate
say?
them, to motivate
Yes.
them to like for they can how to say grow,
Yes.
for they can like diligent,
Yes.
explore,
Yes.
right?
Diligent explore
Mhm.
for they easy to comprehensive the material like material like message for they and also I want to
So you are like a social battery for your classmates,
Yes.
to be like social battery for your classmates,
Yes.
like to be motivator.
yes
Right?
I often as a moderator in the class.
Ah,
Yes.
okay, that's why.
And also I want to make many program the benefit
Mhm.
important in like in campus or university or community.
Okay.
I want to make many program the benefit, give a benefit.
Okay, please join with my community. Again, yeah. Tetep
Okay.
ya. Okay, thank you. Any else?
That's it.
Okay, you
Yes.
give your statement. Okay, thank you. Give a applause for us first. Yes. Now is the last part. What is your conclusion, guys? Start from you. What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay. The conclusion from me that to be ambassador not only for use the crown or selempang that but all of us that will be ambassador that for our environment, for ourselves, that we must to give the positive impact for other people.
Okay, thank you, Alia. Next, Dewi, what is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
Okay. I think the conclusion is everyone is ambassador. Okay. This is not a press. Okay, so everyone in anytime in anywhere can be ambassador for ourselves, for himself, for for ourselves. Okay, we should to maintain our behavior. Because even because when we do the good things or bad things,
Okay.
there's impact, just not impact for ourselves, but the impact.
Make it short, please.
yeah.
Make it short. Because this is conclusion.
Okay, the impact for our community. So that's why I think we
So be the best.
lebih berhati-hati dalam bertindak.
Yeah, so be your best version.
Yeah, best version.
Okay, thank you. What about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay. Have to conclusion for the topic. Everyone is ambassador.
Mhm.
Everyone not only specific but general. And everyone can be ambassador and everyone give potential for other people, not
Okay.
only ourselves but other people.
Mhm.
And the ambassador so important
Mhm.
for self-confidence and self-environment. And also everyone with ambassadors so important to life and community, and also in the university maybe. And also everyone is with everyone is ambassador. Always give always give positive impact for other people.
Okay, so be impactful. Thank you.
Yes.
What about you, Agi? The last, please.
Okay, for me, everyone that can be ambassador is not only about the specific general, also can be ambassador. Always give positive for our environments and always do the best, pray for the best, and enjoy for the best, guys. And do the best whatever your activity or work. Enjoy the best. Be grateful because Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala always give you opportunity in your life, and pray for the best. Yeah, always pray is not always pray in your activity, always pray in your any times, always pray, guys. So okay.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Thank you for coming. Give a applause for us. Thank you Alia from SEED. Thank you Dave from VPC. Thank you Sunny from SEED. Thank you Agi from VPC. That's all, smart listeners, wherever you are, smart viewers. Our program English Communities, and the topic is everyone is ambassador. See you for the next week. See you. Good evening. Good night. Bye bye. Oke, tepuk tangan dulu.